Okay, here's gonna be a detail of my house. Okay? Just see if you like it. Yes, I'm going over to going on a trip, so yeah. Sorry if I blocked the screen. Still pretty new. Yes, this is where I play. Here's my monitor, my PS5. Oh, if I could, I did try to, but I have my keyboard and mouse. Yeah. Favorite game over here. Hold on. I thought I saw something. Favorite game over here. Fallout 4, bro. Best game. Yeah, I do karate. Like marshmallow and everything. Like green belt. Softball. Dragon Ball Z. And up here, bro. And everything, yeah. So, oh, my gaming chair is the best, though. Yeah, if you see the safe down there, I ain't letting you get into it. I'm not even letting you into it, though. See you, Dreamsters.